We are sorry to announce that the 10:26 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 56 minutes. This is due to a fault on this train. Announced that the 10:26 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 58 minutes. This is due to a fault on this train. 11:27 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 11 minutes. Passengers for Exeter St David's, Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads and Filton Abbey Wood, your next fastest direct service is now expected to be the 10:26 to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads, departing from platform 3. The 10:26 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Exeter St David's, Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Severn Tunnel Junction, Newport and Cardiff Central. This train has 4 coaches. Train stops in zones 6 to 9. Cycle spaces in zone 9. Wheelchair facilities in zone 7. This train will not be calling at Teignmouth, Dawlish, Tiverton Parkway, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Burnham, Weston-super-Mare, Worl, Yatton and Nailsea and Backwell today. This is due to a fault on this train. Platform 3 for the 10:26 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads.